disposable are very common in a makeup artist kit or even in a studio because it's very hygiene and you just have to use it one time and throw it away. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Chanelly767. Hope everybody's having a blessed day today. On today's episode of Makeup Artist Advisory, we are going to talk about disposable. Now, just a few disclaimers before we get into this video. Everything I mention under this series is my personal experience in the beauty industry for 14 years, and I just want to share with you all my tips, tricks, techniques getting from point A to success. Now, disposable are very common in a makeup artist kit or even in a studio because it's very hygiene and you just have to use it one time and throw it away. And especially if you are freelancing, that way is definitely a must. So number one on disposable list, we're going to talk about mascara. It's important to have disposable mascara, one for your lashes and your brows. Remember, these are sensitive part of your face, especially the eyelash part. So instead of using actually the mascara one itself that comes with the package, it's good to have the mascara disposable. You put it in the tube and you use it as a mascara. Same as for the brows, if you will just want to use a gel brow to brush up your brows, or if you want to do a defined brows as well, you have the disposable. You use it one time, and instead of sanitizing it or washing it for your next client, you just discard it. Then the next step is eyeliner disposable. Now, the same as the mascara tube that comes with the actual package itself, you just remove the top part. You use the disposable eyeliner brush, put it in the tube, and then you use it to line your eyeliner. So it's that easy. You just use it one time and that's it. You discard of it. The lip liner itself is difficult because the lip liner normally is a pencil. So what I advise you to get is a sharpener. Of course, you sharpen the lip pencil, and then of course you use 70% alcohol to disinfect the lip pencil before applying on the next client. That is the safest way to use a lip pencil. Then you have QTip. Now, QTip is very common because we use QTip for everything. You use it to clean up. They even use it to mix the foundation and to mix the concealer as well. And if you want like a cat eye look, we use a QTip to clean up the eyeshadow to give you a nice cat eye look. And it's used for many reasons, and it's perfect hygiene. So of course you definitely need Q-tip as well whenever you are a makeup artist. Then you have the cotton pad. Cotton pad is great for cleanup, and also it helps whenever you want to clean your client's face. Let's say if she have leftover makeup that she used for the day on her face, and you just want to remove all the dirt and all the makeup on her face before you do a fresh makeup application. So cotton pad is definitely a must to have in your kit. You have the makeup remover wipes. Now some people kind of against it because of course for the environment, they rather use the take off day balm or a facial balm to remove any makeup that the clients have on their face. But some people use the makeup remover wipes itself just to remove the makeup on their face and also to clean their face as well before doing a fresh makeup application. So that is also another good product to have in your makeup kit. The makeup wedge. Now this, not everybody like the wedge too much, but it's great disposable, especially if you have a group of girls. let's say a photo shoot or a wedding, and it's a lot of girls, so you must have a lot of foundation brush if your customer use it for foundation brush, or you must have a lot of beauty blender. You use them once and then you put it in your dirty or used compartment or mesh bag. And another suggestion, of course, is using the makeup wedges. Now these are very disposable. You use them one time and then you throw it away. Some makeup artists, they give it to the clients because sometimes the client do ask for it, but honestly it's better to throw it away because that is the main purpose, to use it one time and throw it away. So that is a great suggestion to have whenever you want to apply your foundation application. Then you have your disposable metal plate. Now metal plate is very common and is essential and a must have in a makeup kit, or even if you just a studio makeup, it's essential and must have to have. Trust me, it's a must. So whenever you're having like the disposable one in your kit, you use them one time and then you throw it away. Even if you have the metal one or the plastic one, it is so easy to clean. Remove the foundation or the concealer off the plate with makeup remover wipes, and you use your disinfectant wipes or your disinfectant spray, and then you just wipe it and leave it to air dry, or you just use soap and water to wash it out and then leave it to air dry. But always good to have the disposable metal plate. Now, but most of you who do not know what is a metal plate, this is what makeup artists use to mix their foundation, concealer, to do a lot of mixing with the lips as well, like to apply the lip gloss, to apply it on a metal plate and then apply it on your lips. We use it a lot. Back in the day, way back, people used to use the back of their arm to warm up the foundation, but no more. It suggests that you use a metal plate. It's perfect hygiene to use the metal plate. You have the lip gloss one. Now this is very difficult because lip gloss comes in different shape and size. You have the tube, you have the pump, you have different types of lip gloss. But if you have the tube, it's always best to apply it once again on the metal plate and then use the disposable one to get the lip gloss off the plate and then apply it on the client's lips. Same as the pump, you remove the stick and take the lip gloss one, put it in the tube itself and then apply it to the lips, and never double dip going back. Once you apply to the client lip, do not go back in the tube for more lipstick or lip gloss. My suggestion, you throw it away and get a fresh disposable lip one. Go back in the tube and then apply a second coat on your client's lip. So that's the best suggestion I can give whenever you're applying your lip gloss or your lipstick. And then the final one I have to discuss with you, of course, have napkin. Napkin is always perfect. It's perfect to clean up after your mess. When you're doing a foundation, your setup area. It's also used to dab the client's face. Let's say you use a makeup remover wipes or just a solution and you know their face will still be a little damp, so you can use your napkin and tap your client's face to remove it before you do a makeup application. Napkin is always a must in a makeup kit and a makeup artist studio. So I hope that was helpful. I hope that you learned something, you understand the importance of having disposable in your makeup kit. Until the next time, my beautiful people, keep it locked.